What if you could be your own bank? So I'm here with Tucker Watkins, CFP, and today he's breaking down a strategy that wealthy families have used for generations.
Yes.
So, Tucker, what does it actually mean to bank on yourself? And why do so many wealthy families use life insurance instead of just a regular savings account?
Sure, sure. Well, the answer is that if you are ever trying to borrow money from a bank, it's a lot of paperwork. You have to qualify for it. You have to dot the I's and cross the T's. It is a painful process. Anyone who's tried to get a mortgage knows that for sure. There are, though, families who have been using cash value life insurance for decades. The most famous family, of course, is the Rockefeller family. And what it would do then is that the money would go into the account. It would continue to grow in a completely tax-deferred manner. It would compound, and then they were able to borrow against it whenever they wanted, for whatever they wanted, and pay it back or not as they choose. They could pay it back to themselves with interest or without interest. So it's complete flexibility. It's liquidity without permission, you might say, because you don't have to ask anybody's permission. The money is there and you borrow against it. The other reason that the Rockefellers and so many wealthy families use it is that eventually, since we all do pass away eventually, the death benefit goes to the heirs completely tax-free because life insurance death benefits are in fact tax-free. So it gives wealthy families, and I should also say wise families that are not necessarily wealthy, but they've got the wisdom of the wealthy families, put cash value life insurance into their family planning because it gives them all those benefits I mentioned, plus one more, which is that as soon as the person gets the life insurance, because these are permanent life insurance policies, the life insurance is there for the rest of that person's life, even if down the road they come down with some kind of a bad illness, diabetes, cancers, heart issues, kidney issues, lung issues, strokes, whatever, the life insurance is there permanently. So it gives a lot of benefits to the family. To itemize them again, and I should add one more that I didn't mention yet. One more is that by keeping the life insurance in place for as long as the person lives, eventually, when the person wants to retire, there's a way that they can access the money and have a tax advantage pension that they can never outlive. So there's two kinds of cash value life insurance. One is called whole life insurance. One is called index universal life insurance. My responsibility is to provide guidance to which plan would work best based upon the situation. I do handle both. I've provided both kinds of plans to my clients. And I'm here to be a servant leader to see how I can be of service to my clients.
It's just incredible to change the trajectory of generations by utilizing something like this. It's just incredible. Not a lot of people know about it.
Yes, yes. When you say generations, that is true. One of the things that the Rockefeller family did was they would have the death benefit go partly to a human heir and partly to a trust, so that trust could keep the wealth in the family for generations. That's why you mentioned the word generational wealth. So that's one way that they did it. So I'm here to be of service. If the clients who are listening, if the people who are listening, would like to learn more, just please fill out the form and I'll be happy to chat with you and find out what I can do to be of service.
Yeah. All right. And the form is found on tuckerwatkins.net. Go ahead, book that free 30-minute Zoom call. It'll be specific about your situation,
Yeah.
so you can see exactly what this could look like for your family. So thanks, Tucker, and we'll see you in the next one.
Thank you for watching. Bye now.